A lot of YouTubers making thousands of dollars by uploading short videos, and those videos goes viral and get millions of views in short period of time. You want to make viral short videos, but you don't know about how to create a viral short video. In this video, I will show you how to re-originaling viral YouTube short videos without showing your face or recording videos. To re-originaling viral short videos, you need to follow these 5 steps. Step number 1, select a viral video. To select a viral video, you have to remember these 2 questions. Question number 1, is this video uploaded short period of time? 2, is this video go viral and get over 10 million views? If the 2 question answer is yes, you are ready to download this video. After you finish, you are ready to the next step. The second step is editing. Go to your video editor app and add those clips. Select the clip, mute the sound, and flip those videos and zoom the 2 videos. Cut those clips. And remix those videos. And save. We are finished the second step. The third step is recording the saved video. To do this, go to your video player app and open the video and leave that page. Go to recorder app and back to the page. Start the recorder and the video at the same time. And we are finished the third step. Step number 4, editing. I add my video and add your channel handle. And add some text. And finish. Save your video and upload it. By following these 4 steps, you can make a viral short video without showing your face or recorded video.